Hello, and welcome to the range test for my new e-bike, the Heybike Cityscape. I wanted to see how far this e-bike could go on a single charge, and generally how far an e-bike in this price range, and with this battery and motor size, could go with pedal assist on the whole time. I ended up doing a super scenic, beautiful ride, and even got a little lost, so even if you aren't specifically interested in this bike, this could be a fun ride to watch and ride along with me on. The range test itself lasted an hour and a half, so instead of uploading the whole ride, I picked some highlights from the ride that show off all the interesting scenery and give you a general idea of the ride I did. If you are just here for the range test results, enjoy as much of the ride as you would like, and then you can skip to the timestamp in the description for my wrap-up and range results. I ran the bike in max pedal assist setting 3, the whole time, so this test could be considered a minimum range test. You should be able to get this range or better with this bike depending on your pedal assist settings and riding style. I have the GoPro mounted on the handlebars for most of this ride because I don't love the angle the GoPro gets from the chest mount when I'm riding a bike, and frankly I had no desire to put on a chest mount in 100-degree weather for almost 2 hours. Toward the end, I switched to a new camera angle that I wanted to try that gets a view of the bike and of me pedaling. Enjoy the ride, and I'll see you after for the results. done this trail. Try this one out. Actually taking off. Oh yeah, there it goes. So it'll be interesting to see how I handle it. Turn around on this trail. Does this connect up to a road? I sure hope so. It'd be really annoying if I'd have to get to the end and turn around and recover all of it. No, it's more of this trail. Dang it, I thought this was a road. I guess I'm at this point, you know, point no return. Actually, we'll stop for a second. Literally numb hands, nice. Red hands, I don't know if you can see that. Okay. Got lots of bugs on me. Oh my gosh, how far does this go? I got myself in deep here. I might, oh, shoot. There's the perimeter. No, this should wrap around. Okay. I think this does wrap around. Is that a rock? Ouch. Did that kick up a rock or is that a piece of the scooter? I got hit in the shin super hard. Wait, there's a dope like prop plane overhead. Let's see if the camera can see it. see a parking lot. And it's divided by a river. Where did it go? Okay. Over there, I think. Now on a construction site. Alright. This is the back entrance, I guess. I think I go this way, but oh my gosh. That's a road. How do I get there? It looks like I can get to the road. It's a miracle. Anyone who says miracles don't exist. Oh my gosh, dirt. Okay, I'm over it. Alright, successfully escaped. Alright. Oh my gosh. Let's see what the damage is. Okay, so I ran the scooter down till the motor was no longer assisting my pedal strokes, and the battery symbol on the display was flashing empty. Here's a recap of the ride. As you can see, I was able to get 21.4 miles with pedal assist level 3 and a top speed of 30 miles per hour on some downhill. Over 20 miles of range is awesome and basically means that your butt will hurt long before you get anywhere close to depleting the battery. The bike itself also held up really well despite the amount of rocky road I had to cover. I'm quite impressed with the bike for this price, and if you're considering a casual cruiser like this, then this seems to be a great option. You can check the link to that down in the description, as well as my first impressions of this specific bike. Thanks for watching and enjoying a ride with me, and I'll see you in the next video.